Oh man, what a crazy dream. I can't wait to go skimboarding with the boys this morning. I wonder which camera I should take with me. Oh, yes, this is perfect. Awesome. Oh, I'm starving. Time to make some breakfast. All over my shirt. Alright, there's my board. Let's head to the beach. Hey, buddy!
Hey, Benny! Where'd you come from? Ready to hit a wave or what?
Jace, how are ya? What's wrong, man?
I lost the board out in the water, man. I don't know where it is.
Oh, really? That's alright. I can get it for you.
You can get it. Man, how did you do that?
After Effects, man.
That's a board stuff.
Benny, same time next week, man?
Sounds good, man. Oh, what is the time, dude?
About 2 o'clock?
Oh, no. I'm supposed to be meeting a friend at a waterfall.
No waterfalls around here, bro.
That's right. I brought this. See you next week, bro. Oh, God, that's so much higher than I thought. Oh, holy heck.
Whoa, did you just fall out of the sky?
Yeah, man. Hey, sorry I'm late.
Standard. You know what'd be awesome?
Yeah?
Get a photo of someone up there.
Up there?
Yeah.
Hey, I can get up there.
Really?
Yeah, man. Watch this. I gotta work on those landings.
Whoa, you're crazy. Stay right there. Okay, I got it.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Oh, next time I'm trying to land
no.
on your feet and not your face. And check out this photo.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, no. I forgot I have a date in the city in 10 minutes.
Well, you might want to buy her a chair, because I think you just stood her up, mate. There's no way you'll make it to Melbourne in 10 minutes.
Maybe I can make a door. Yes, it worked. I need to stop packing so much into one day. This isn't the city. I'll call you later, Tommy.
I'm never going to get used to this.
It is nice here, though. Okay, let's try this again. To the city. What the heck? Okay, let's try this one more time. Yes, finally, made it to the city.
Just come through there?
I really need to stop editing in front of people. I gotta get to the train station. I'm still so far away. Oh, well that works. Maybe if yeah. Ooh, I can transition this. Perfect. Now I'm way closer to the station. Not quite closer. Oh,
Benn, mate. Oh, whoa, I didn't expect that.
keep grinding, bro.
Thanks, mate, I will.
Oh, I need to buy more time. Maybe this will work. It worked! I'll fix that wall later. Oh no, that's the train I need to catch. Oh, I need it quick. Oh no, I missed it. Wait, I can edit this.
Did you just jump through a train?
Maybe.
How'd you do that?
Sorry man, I gotta go.
Hey!
Almost there, almost there. Okay, so close. She's just on the other side of this river. I need to get over there now. I have an idea. Ha! The old picture frame trick. Always works. Oh, there she is.
Hey, you made it.
Hey, yeah, sorry I'm late.
No, actually, you're early. Yeah.
Oh, really? Geez, thanks.
Oh, you've got one of those go-to cameras?
Oh, yeah. I actually forgot I was wearing that.
I used to have one actually, but I lost
Really?
it on a friend's boat party in this river.
You lost it? Maybe it's still in there. I can get it out for you.
Oh my gosh, no, it'll be freezing in there. Oh my gosh, what? How did you do that?
I'm an editor.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Well, I should probably get going, but it was so nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too. We should hang out again next week.
Yeah, for sure. That sounds awesome. All right. See you later. Take care. Yes, scored a second date. It's time for me to go home. Well, this isn't my home. Why do those portals never work? But it is beautiful. I might just hang here for a bit and enjoy it. What a day. Whew. Oh man, what a crazy dream. I can't wait to go skimboarding with the boys this morning. I wonder which camera I should take with me. Oh, yes, this is perfect. Awesome. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching that video. That was filmed entirely on the Insta360 GO 2, this tiny little powerful action camera. Shoots 2K resolution, really nice colors. The image stabilization is incredible. It's one of the best I've seen in an action camera. And you can magnetize this thing to anything that's metal, so it can really go anywhere. And I had so much fun filming that video. It's the first time I've ever done a first-person view video before. And with this camera being so light, I forgot it was on me half the time. And I think that's one of this camera's real strengths, is that it's just really non-invasive. You forget it's even there and you just capture some really nice natural shots with ease.
Get a photo of someone up there.
Up there?
Yeah.
Hey, I can get up there.
Really?
Yeah, man. Watch this.